Hi students, welcome to week 5 of home learning. This week we are going to start learning or continue learning about natural selection and then move into evolution for the last section of this unit next week. You can either, just like the weeks before, go to modules here, or if you come to this home learning page, you can click this module here, April 27th through May 1st. We'll click here. This is set up again so that you have to move through these items in order and complete the one above before it will let you move on to the next assignment. So remember that. This overview is just some written information about the week, a suggested schedule for you. So there's nothing to turn in here, but you should read it, and I'll post this screencast here at the bottom. So just click next and it will take you to the next assignment. This is something a little extra this week, and it should just take you 5 or 10 minutes. So please do it. It would mean a lot to Mrs. Carter. It says, as you know, Mrs. Carter's retiring at the end of this school year. Since we can't be at school to tell her goodbye or thank you for a great year, I'd like you to write her a note here. So I'll compile all of these notes and give them to her. You will submit this as an assignment. So if you click Submit Assignment, there's a text entry box right here. And then when you're finished, click Submit Assignment and that'll send it to me. Okay, next one is a natural selection Nearpod. So a different one than last week. So click here to load it in a new window. If your name comes up here, you don't have to retype it here. Just click Join Session. And then there's some information to read. Remember, when you're doing these Nearpods, you need to participate on every single page. I use the participation score that it sends me. So if you don't visit at every page and do the activity when it asks you to do the activity, you won't get full credit. The next assignment is something a little different. There's no discussion this week, but we're going to have you watch this little video about tuskless elephants and the natural selection that went along with that. So click the link for the video, watch the video, and then for this graphic organizer, it says, as you watch the video, set up a graphic organizer like the one below on a piece of note paper or in your notebook and fill out the evidence for each condition. You will be using this for your task, so it's really important that you take these notes, these specific notes, as you watch the video, and then you're going to complete this task. So using the notes you took while watching the video, write an explanation based on natural selection for the high number of tuskless female evidence in Gorongosa. Like all good scientific explanations, your explanation should include a claim, supporting evidence, which you'll get from the video, and scientific reasoning to link the evidence to the claim. Okay? In order to write your answer to that task, you're just going to go up and click Submit Assignment and then put it here in the text entry box. When you're finished, you're going to submit it and it will send it to me to grade. Next assignment. This is a virtual lab that's pretty fun. It's called Who Wants to Live a Million Years? You will, again, it's a Nearpod, so if your name comes up here, you don't have to type anything on the next line. Just click Join Session, and it will take you eventually to this website. Oops. For Who Wants to Live a Million Years. You're going to draw this data table on a separate piece of paper or in your notebook, and then click here to open the web page. So I've done that, and it brings you here. If you want to review some information about natural selection, you can click there and just read through it. Or you can start the survival game. And as you proceed through this game, please keep notes on the data table that you drew into your notebook. You'll like this game. It's pretty fun. There are questions at the end, so make sure to answer those questions and submit your answers each time. Again, you're being graded on participation. This is a Nearpod. Okay? And then finally, the next assignment is to take the quiz. And it's just one of our 10-question quizzes. You can have 2 chances on it, and Canvas is set up to keep the higher score. Have a great week. If you will please stick as closely as you can to the suggested schedule, I think that will really help you. It's way stressful if you save everything until Friday to turn it in. So just do a little bit each day, a half an hour or so each day, and you'll thank yourself at the end of the week. Have a great week, and maybe I'll see you at office hours.